Good morning, friends. Being a native New Englander, I love Hermit cookies. Man, I remember my grandmother making these years ago. Got an original recipe here with organic Blackstrap molasses. Got to use the Blackstrap molasses. Got King Arthur whole wheat flour in here, walnuts, raisins. I'm posting the recipe below. A key point is that you want to soak the raisins in hot water or a liquid to reconstitute them and make them moist and delicious. So after this has been cooled here for a couple minutes, I'm just going to try a little bit out of a corner because I've got to save quite a bit of this for a party I'm going to this weekend. Oh, look how moist and delicious that is right there. Let's try them out. Fragrant. Those plump, juicy raisins really come through. That spice, ginger, clove, nutmeg, cinnamon, all the good stuff. I do add an egg in this recipe to give them a little bit of a cake-like consistency while still being moist and chewy in the center.